What's got bright color, fresh herbs, and the perfect amount of heat? Yes, sir, you guessed right. Habanero chimichurri steak is what we're about to eat. This sauce will take your favorite steak, chicken, and seafood to a whole new level.
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Vince here. We're going to be continuing the trend of whipping up delicious steak recipes, sauces that you can drizzle all over your favorite meats. Today we're going to be doing habanero chimichurri sauce. This recipe is not for the mild. You know, if you like things that are not that hot, this one ain't the one for you. We got 4 habanero peppers that we're going to be using today. If you want something less spicy, you can substitute it for 1 jalapeno, but I definitely recommend doing this. It's going to give us that hot, spicy kick we're looking for. This recipe incorporates my 3 favorite things of all time in the kitchen. A good cut of steak, some spice, some heat, and fresh herbs. What else could you ask for? So stay tuned. Friends, if you haven't already, I ask that you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. Subscribe and make new videos on Thursdays and on Sundays. We've taken our beautiful New York strip steak, we've salt and peppered it on both sides, grabbed a little thyme, and we're setting it aside while we prepare our chimichurri. Okay, so the base for a good chimichurri sauce is very, very simple. We got 1 bunch of Italian parsley. We got a big old bunch, so honestly, a lot of times this is really gonna be like 2. We got 4 big old cloves of garlic. You know, if you're using smaller cloves, this might be 5 or 6, honestly. And then I got 4, yeah, I'm a little crazy, 4 habanero peppers. So last time we did this, we just used 1 jalapeno, but the goal of this is to make it pretty spicy. I'm a heat fiend, so if you are too, then stick around, baby.
First things first, we're gonna chop up our parsley. Next, grab your garlic. We're gonna chop that up too.
And you know we don't skimp on our garlic.
Throw that in a bowl and let it chill out for a while. Finally, grab 4 habanero peppers, take out the stems and the seeds, and mince them up fine.
All right, now that we got our main ingredients in, we're gonna come over with 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Next, we're gonna hit it with a couple of teaspoons of dried oregano. Now we're gonna get in there with a little bit of fresh black pepper. Last but not least, guys, we're gonna hit it with a 1.5 tablespoons of some salt. Finally, grab some good extra virgin olive oil. You're gonna pour in about 1/2 cup. And we're gonna get in there with a spoon and start to mix it on up. So guys, what we're gonna wanna do now that we got this done is we're gonna wanna cover it and put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. We wanna let those flavors soak together. This stuff lasts, you know, a couple of days. I wouldn't keep it for a week or nothing, but feel free to use it tomorrow, the next day. Make a batch for a couple of days and enjoy it.
Now we're gonna cook up our New York strip steak. Cook your steak to a perfect medium rare, just a few minutes per side. And don't forget to hit the sides. They need love too. Give your steak plenty of time to rest, then it's time to slice that bad boy up. Slicing before serving really elevates our presentation here. Once your steak is sliced, place it piece by piece on your plate before coating it with our delicious chimichurri sauce. And now if that doesn't get your mouth watering, I'm not sure what will.
All right, y'all, you know I've been waiting all day for this, so I'm gonna get right into it. I got the perfect New York strip steak that's been cooked medium rare, and we got the habanero chimichurri sauce all over the top and extra on the side. So I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna get a little piece on the end, a little thinner piece with a little fat on top, fat on the end. Oh my God. The floral notes from the habanero, and then it hits the back of your palate. Oh man. Thanks for watching, guys. I got a lot of other steak videos coming up, all kinds of other sauces. So if you like this content, make sure to hit subscribe. Stay tuned. More videos on the way. Thanks for watching. I hope to earn your subscription. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found value from it.